Looking for the perfect handheld steam cleaner but overwhelmed by options? Stick around. We tested the top models so you don't have to. Starting off at the bottom of our list is the Outspurge EM-315. It's got the basics down, heats up quickly, shoots steam, and comes with a decent set of accessories. But when stacked against the competition, it just doesn't quite measure up. The unit does offer good heat output and has a long cord, which gives you a bit more freedom to move around. The safety lock is a nice touch, and it handles light cleaning jobs on grout, windows, or upholstery without much trouble. It's simple and pretty easy to use, especially for beginners. But here's the catch, the runtime is really short. You're looking at around 8 to 10 minutes before needing a refill, and it doesn't steam as consistently or powerfully as other models. And to refill it, you have to wait for the pressure to drop, which can be annoying. A few users even mentioned reliability issues not long after buying it. If you're only doing quick surface level cleaning and don't need heavy-duty power, this might be enough for you. Otherwise, hang tight. There are better options coming up. And hey, if you want to check out any of the steam cleaners we're talking about today, I've dropped the best deals down in the description for you. Next up is the Masha handheld steam cleaner. It's a step up from the Outspurge, offering better steam pressure and a really compact build. If portability is what you're after, this one ticks that box easily. It's got strong enough steam to handle stubborn spots on tiles and even car interiors. It heats up quickly and includes a nice variety of attachments, making it pretty versatile for small household tasks. The spray distance is decent too, just under 4 feet. However, the biggest issue here is the tiny tank. With just 5 to 8 minutes of cleaning time per fill, you'll be stopping a lot to refill, and you can't do that until the unit cools down. The build quality also feels pretty basic, and some users have reported early breakdowns. That said, if you just need a lightweight steam cleaner for touch-ups or spot cleaning, this could be a budget-friendly option. If you're enjoying this breakdown so far, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more no-nonsense reviews. Holding the middle spot in our ranking is the SteamFusion. It's the first model in our lineup that really feels balanced, offering both good runtime and a compact design that won't wear you out during use. With a 15.2 ounce tank, it gives you around 12 minutes of steady steam, which is enough to clean a small bathroom or kitchen without needing to pause. It also includes a solid mix of attachments, everything from nozzles to scrapers, that let you tackle a variety of surfaces. But it's not perfect. The tank is still small compared to higher-end models, and some users said the steam output wasn't as powerful as expected. The cleaning results can be hit or miss, depending on the grime level. If you're after something balanced and easy to use, especially for light to medium-duty cleaning, SteamFusion is worth a look, but if you're aiming for a steam cleaner with real power and endurance, keep watching. Now we're getting serious. The Felgocecs is a high-power option built for folks who want serious cleaning performance. With 2,500 watts under the hood, this thing delivers some serious steam and does it fast. It heats up in about 10 seconds and has a massive tank, almost 50 ounces, which gives you plenty of time to deep clean without interruption. The included accessories give you flexibility for tackling grease, upholstery, and even hard-to-reach corners with the extension tube. Still, the build quality doesn't quite live up to the performance. Some users called it cheap and had issues with the steam consistency on lower settings. The power switch design isn't ideal either. You need to go to the tank area to turn it off. But if you want a steam cleaner that brings the heat and doesn't require constant refills, this is a strong contender. It's especially great for larger homes or folks who need to cover a lot of surface area in one go. And finally, at the top of our list is the DreamnNature Steam Cleaner. This one's the best all-around performer, hands down. It's powerful, fast, and offers the longest continuous steam runtime of all the models we tested. It hits the sweet spot with a strong 2,500 watt motor, fast heat up, and a 39-ounce tank that keeps going for up to 45 minutes. That's nearly an hour of cleaning without stopping. The steam pressure is strong enough to lift grime from tile and upholstery, and you get a full accessory set for every surface in your house. There are a couple of trade-offs. The cord is shorter than most, and the plastic build feels a little light. Also, in some cases, the steam wasn't quite as hot as expected, but these are minor compared to everything else it offers. If you want a steam cleaner that handles everything from kitchen grease to bathroom tiles without needing to stop and refill constantly, this is it. It's efficient, powerful, and incredibly easy to use. All the links to these top-rated steam cleaners are in the description below. Go check them out if you're ready to upgrade your cleaning game. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more hands-on reviews just like this one.